Imagine cruising down the road, feeling the breeze on your face, and knowing that wherever you stop, you have a home right behind you. But what if I told you that home isn't an RV, a camper van, or even a car? It's a tricycle. Yes, a fully functional camper tricycle, designed by the one and only Kevin Cry. And trust me, this is something you've never seen before. Kevin Cry's camper tricycle is a masterpiece of innovation, creativity, and practicality. At first glance, it might seem like a regular three-wheeler, but the moment you take a closer look, you realize it's so much more. It's compact yet spacious, lightweight yet durable, and most importantly, it's a fully functional camper built onto a tricycle frame. The idea behind this design is pure genius. Imagine the freedom of traveling without worrying about parking, gas expenses, or even a driver's license in some places. This tricycle is an all-in-one solution for adventure lovers, minimalists, and those who simply want a unique way to experience the world. The moment Kevin Cry unveiled his camper tricycle, the internet went crazy. People couldn't believe their eyes. How does it work? Where does one sleep? Is it actually practical? Well, let's break it down. The tricycle is equipped with a lightweight yet sturdy frame that supports a small camper shell at the back. Inside, there's just enough space for a single person to stretch out comfortably. It's designed for efficiency with built-in storage compartments, a small foldable bed, and even a tiny cooking station. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels, and it's changing the way people think about travel. One of the biggest questions people have is, how does it handle on the road? Surprisingly well. The tricycle is built for smooth riding with a balance between stability and maneuverability. It's powered by human effort, but there's an option to add an electric assist, making it even more practical for longer journeys. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring off-the-grid locations, this camper tricycle proves that size doesn't matter when it comes to adventure. Another standout feature is its eco-friendliness. Unlike gas-guzzling RVs or even electric vehicles that still rely on charging stations, this tricycle can be powered purely by you. It encourages a sustainable lifestyle, allowing travelers to move around without leaving a carbon footprint. Plus, since it's so compact, you don't need to worry about finding parking spaces or paying for expensive campsites. Just pull over, park wherever it's allowed in your home. Imagine the possibilities. Waking up to a sunrise by the beach, rolling through scenic countryside roads, or stopping by a hidden forest trail, all with just a tricycle and a spirit of adventure. It's the ultimate dream for those who love simplicity, minimalism, and freedom. And the best part? Kevin Cry's design isn't just a concept. It's real, it's functional, and it's inspiring people worldwide to rethink travel in a whole new way. But here's the real question. Could you live in one? Picture yourself pedaling through the city, heading to the mountains, or even embarking on a cross-country journey with nothing but your tricycle camper. Would it be challenging? Absolutely. Would it be rewarding? Without a doubt. The idea of reducing life's complexities and embracing the road with just the essentials is something that speaks to the adventurous soul in all of us. Let's talk about the build. Kevin Cry has designed the camper tricycle with precision and attention to detail. The camper shell is made from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring that the ride remains smooth without compromising on safety. The interior is cleverly designed to maximize space, with smart storage solutions that make it feel bigger than it actually is. Every inch of this tricycle has been thought out, making it one of the most fascinating tiny homes on wheels ever created. It's no surprise that people from all over the world are fascinated by this invention. In an age where housing costs are skyrocketing, van life is trending, and minimalism is becoming a lifestyle, the camper tricycle fits right in. It's an alternative way to live, travel, and experience the world, one pedal at a time. And let's be real, how often do you see something this unique? Of course, no invention is perfect. Some might argue that it's not practical for long-term living, especially in extreme weather conditions. Others might question the security aspect of sleeping in such a small, open space. But what can't be denied is the sheer brilliance of the idea. Kevin Cry's camper tricycle isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement. A statement that says travel doesn't have to be expensive. That adventure doesn't have to come with a massive vehicle. that sometimes the best way to see the world is the simplest one. Now imagine you had one of these. Where would you go? What kind of adventures would you embark on? The beauty of the camper tricycle is that it's limited only by your imagination. Whether you're a solo traveler looking for a new way to explore, someone who loves sustainable living, or just a fan of quirky and innovative designs, this is something worth considering. So, what's next for Kevin Cry's camper tricycle? Well, if the excitement surrounding it is anything to go by, we could be looking at the beginning of a whole new trend in travel. More people are becoming interested in alternative lifestyles, and this little tricycle might just be the perfect answer for those who want to hit the road without the baggage, literally and figuratively. And if you've made it this far, you're probably just as fascinated by this invention as we are. The question is, could you see yourself pedaling away in your own camper tricycle? Would you trade in the conventional for the extraordinary? Let us know what you think, and if you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing innovations. Adventure is out there, you just need the right set of wheels to chase it.